selling your Squarespace templates on Etsy is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can sell your Squarespace templates on your Etsy. So the process is pretty simple. You just need to go to the Squarespace website and you need to log into your account. After logging in, you have to, complete a website that you want to sell. After that, you just have to click on this selling button. It will take you to the new page or the new kind of settings. And here you simply have to click on this settings and it will take you to this page. Now here you have to click on this import and export content. And here you have to click on this, export, and you have to select WordPress and you need to download that. What it will do is it will download this XML file. So what does this file contain? This file contains all the data regarding your website. So this is a template that you can sell on your Etsy. So you just need to create an account, set up a shop in Etsy, and you need to list your product that you want to sell. So how can you list it? So for that you have to go to go back, and I'm just going to go back and I will go to my site and I will as you guys can see, my website has been loaded. I'm going to take the screenshot and I'm going to list it on Etsy. And if someone, wants to buy it, I can simply send this XML file that I downloaded before. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can sell your Squarespace template on Etsy. Hope you guys find this video helpful.